Hello all, welcome to my channel. As you can see, what we're going to do today. When it comes to soldering iron and what to get, what to buy and what to use, which one will work for years like it's new every day and so on, it's hard to answer. Of course, that you can go for some very expensive soldering irons. Let me see, look at this, 77 euros, but even there is more expensive Weller, 90 euros, even higher priced Ersa tool, 180 euros, Weller, 325 euros. I even don't know this one. Is it made from pure clean gold, so it costs 300 euros? Or we paying 300 name Weller and 25 for soldering iron? I don't know, but if you ask me, I would never buy it. And some would disagree at this moment with me, but maybe you will think different after this video. If you go on cheaper companies, you can find some soldering stations for 30 euros, as you can see, or even cheap soldering iron with temperature control for 10 euros. But who knows how all of these, you see, 5 euros soldering iron. Who knows how they will perform, how they will work? I don't, and most likely you do not as well. 5 euros, temperature regulated soldering iron. What AliExpress say? You can buy some, I believe, good one, T12 based soldering iron and soldering stations, which are not overpriced, but still it's high price if you're asking me. And you will see after video. You will have better picture about this question. So enough about that. Subscribe, like. I think it costs you nothing to do that, and it helps me a lot. So let's build one soldering iron and see what I have to say all about it. So now I'm going to build this one soldering iron, which I using for about 10 years, and it never betrayed me. It's temperature controlled iron, soldering iron. It coming in DIY kit when you buy it, so you have to have some knowledge about electronics. Not big one, just to connect some wires and so on. And after all, it will serve you very well, and it's very configurable. A lot of tips you can find everywhere for it. It's T12 based soldering iron. It have tips in every possible shape you can imagine, and tips are very cheap. Soldering iron itself, full kit with casing, power supply, and everything what you need to get full working soldering iron station, cost around 15 euros. That is why I said it's cheap, but it's, if you're asking me, one of the best you can buy, you can use, and if you do listen me, you will see, and buy one, you will see how it works and how good it is. Of course, as you can see while I talking, you see how I built. I will place links to everything below the video, what you see. So front panel design. Of course, you will need that software. It's called front panel design. It's free software, and I using it also for in last 10 years for everything when I need to design front panel for some device or whatever I building. So get that software, and I will link to front panel of this soldering iron I built today. And for soldering iron, I going to link below the video as well, link for its front panel design. It's very similar front panel, but some distances between holes are not same, in few millimeters different, and one offered now and same like I using have calibration potentiometer on it, trimmer potentiometer on it, so it have one more hole below LED hole for that purpose. I have as I have built one which I using before 10 years, and video link to that DIY project is below in the description and here on top of the screen. And today I building another. Of course, somehow I made a few mistakes during the building during all measurement and everything else. I stressed a bit soldering iron board, and it didn't work at first, as you see on the screen, but I decided to fix it, and after some examination, measuring, and so I found that everything actually working on the board, but it have some problems with cold soldering joint, so I decided to refresh soldering joint, as you see on the main IC and main current control resistors. And after all, I got it to work properly. This soldering iron will never betray you, and it's very configurable with different tips for anything you're doing. You can see me using this soldering iron in many of my shorts video. And today there is 100 shorts video I made so far, but in almost every short I using that soldering iron with one precision tip. And even you seen in this video when I was refreshing soldering joint, I used same soldering iron again. That soldering iron is used on daily basis for about 10 years now, and it never gave up. In both cases I using switching power supply 230 volts to 24 volts, I will link same case I purchased for this soldering iron, and I will link same power supply I using in both of my soldering iron stations. So that is all what I wanted to show you today in this video, and I hope I explained well why I think this is the best choice for everyone. At least for me, it will never be other choice for soldering iron. This is all what I need in every day, and I could say for myself that I even doing professionally electronics. I am in electronics for about 40 years, so you can trust me or not. It's your choice, but this is my winner for all times. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and see you with next video.